This car's got an RX-8 engine and seats and steering wheel. 1970 VW. There's the seats, steering wheel. Selling it for $5,300. It's pretty interesting.